So I'll be showing you how to watch YouTube videos for free on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you need to do is install the YouTube app on your Switch. So just go to the Nintendo eShop. Now in the eShop, just go to the search function and search for YouTube. There's actually a YouTube app available in the Nintendo. So just search for YouTube. And here it is, and it's actually free. So just tap on it and then tap on free download and confirm you want to download by tapping on free download again. And there you go, it says thank you. So now you can close this and go back to the home page, and the YouTube app should start downloading to your Nintendo Switch. So now you can launch the YouTube app. And if you want to, you can sign in with your YouTube account or scan the QR code to link it with your phone, or just skip and use it when you're not signed in. And there is YouTube on your Nintendo Switch.
Which one? The one on your head or the one on your comb? Chill.
Simple as that.
Is the mega growth leave-ins.
Thanks for watching and good luck.